మీరు అర్థం లేదు హలో హలో
Ladies and gentlemen, maybe request all standing on the shores to kindly step back. To kindly step back, please. Just a step back. Just for the information of everybody, we also have other boats in the St. Father Lake right now.
బిల్డింగ్ లోపలికి అది అసెంబ్లీ లోపలికి అవునవును అది చిన్న ఉన్నది ఫస్ట్ ఫ్లోర్ పోవాలన్నా.
May we request the media personnel to kindly take a step back, please. Apart from the security conditions, may we request the rest of them to kindly take a step behind. The Honorable Governor, accompanied by General Guidance and General J.
Lieutenant General TSA Narayan, EME Sailing Association and President Laser Class Association of India, Major General J. Sidana, Vice Commander, EME Sailor Association, Mr. R. Raghuram Reddy, President of the Secunderabad Club, distinguished guests, members of the organizing committee, esteemed members of the media, and my dear sailors, and the eminent sailors participating here, Vishnu Saravanan, Miss Netra Kumanan, Sri Rajesh Chaudhary, and all the sailors. I am extremely delighted to be among you, all for the opening ceremony of 35th edition of the prestigious Hyderabad Sailing Week 2011. When Lieutenant General Narayan told that just I landed from Delhi, and when he called for this program, I already had a plan to go to Delhi, and I knew that I will land today afternoon only. So, but I cannot deny his request, because one LG cannot deny the request of another LG. So even though I am the governor of Telangana, I am Lieutenant Governor of Puducherry. So LG, as LG, I have to accept your invitation. And another thing, sailing is always a challenging job. It is always said that if the wind is blowing in a different direction, the pessimist complains the wind. The optimist expects the change of the direction. But the realists take the sails and start sailing. So you are all the realists who face the life, the real challenges. So seeing you, we all really learned the lesson how to sail in the challenge, the sea of life. The event organized by the EME Sailing Association and Secunderabad Sailing Club is one of the most popular events in the calendar of events of the twin cities of Hyderabad and Secunderabad. The historic twin cities and its people are happy to host this prestigious event that brings color and life to the waters of Hussain Sagar Lake. Because of an event of this magnitude being held at the Hussain Sagar Lake, the sport of sailing has received the due impetus deserved in the state as well as in the country. I am really glad to note that sailors from all over the country have come here to compete in this national championship. So I welcome you all. I am happy to know that government of Telangana has given many incentives for the sports of sailing. This vast expanse of Hussain Sagar Lake in the Twin Cities has proven to be a cradle of champion sailors across the country in general and Telangana in particular. It is a matter of honor and pride that our sailors, Netra Kumanan and Vishnu Saravanan, have made us proud with their participation in the recently concluded Tokyo Olympics. I really welcome them, congratulate them, and next time definitely they will return with medals. I am happy to know that young sailors like Miss Ashwini, Miss Kirti, Master Ajay, Sanjay of Telangana Sports School are emerging as future prospects in sailing. I am sure that the joint efforts being put in by the Laser Class Association of India and Sports Authority of Telangana State along with HOSCAP will produce many more champions. It is a matter of great satisfaction to know that sustained efforts by various sailing associations have earned a pride of place for India in the international sailing map. I congratulate Lieutenant General D.S.A. Narayan